Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome. In this video lesson, we will learn some new French words. Here is your first French word for this video lesson. Merci. Merci, meaning thanks or thank you. So how would you say yes, thank you? It is delicious. Oui, merci, c'est délicieux. Oui, merci, c'est délicieux. And what about yes, it is fantastic, thank you? Oui, c'est fantastique, merci. Oui, c'est fantastique, merci. How would you say it is very good, thanks? C'est très bon, merci. C'est très bon, merci. Here is another sentence. Yes, it is for me, thank you. Oui, c'est pour moi, merci. Oui, c'est pour moi, merci. Here is another French word for you. Toujours. Toujours, meaning always. Remember, we do not pronounce the last consonant, that is S. So it is pronounced as toujours. Toujours. How would you say it is always fantastic here? C'est toujours fantastique ici. C'est toujours fantastique ici. And what about it isn't always very good here? Ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici. Ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici. And what about I think it is always beautiful here? Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici. Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici. Here is another sentence. Yes, it is always absolutely delicious. Oui, c'est toujours absolument délicieux. Oui, c'est toujours absolument délicieux. How would you say it isn't good, but it is fantastic? Ce n'est pas bon, mais c'est fantastique. Ce n'est pas bon, mais c'est fantastique. Here is your another French word for this video lesson. Parfait. Parfait, meaning perfect. So how would you say yes, it is perfect, thank you? Oui, c'est parfait, merci. Oui, c'est parfait, merci. That's all about today. Just keep on practicing to remember all the words and phrases we learned so far. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching that video, guys. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button down below for more amazing videos and updates, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and keep learning.